So today I wanted to talk about the word ehkä. 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 So ehkä is a direct, or the direct translation of it would be the English word maybe. So ehkä means maybe. And I just thought I would give a couple example sentences of where this would be used in speech. And keep in mind, all of my examples will be in puhekieli, so the more casual version of Finnish that you'll often hear when people speak, but not so much written down. So keep that in mind. My examples are in puhekieli. So first, you might hear ehkä in an exchange like this. So someone might say, "Meet sä huomenna kauppaan?" "Meet sä huomenna kauppaan?" And you might reply, "Joo, ehkä mä meen." "Joo, ehkä mä meen." So, meet sä huomenna kauppaan means, are you gonna go to the store tomorrow? And joo, ehkä mä meen means, yeah, maybe I'll go. Or another way you might answer this question would be, en mä tiiä, en ehkä jaksa. En mä tiiä, I don't know, en ehkä jaksa. En ehkä jaksa. En ehkä jaksa means, I'll maybe not have the energy to, I might not be bothered to, I might not feel like it, along the lines of that. Also, I wanted to say that when you're using puhekieli, sometimes instead of saying the whole word, instead of saying the whole word ehkä, you might cut off the last a, so it'll sound more, or you will be saying more, en ehkä jaksa. Instead of en ehkä jaksa, you might hear a lot of people cut it even shorter, because Finnish people love cutting words shorter for puhekieli, and saying instead en ehkä jaksa. En ehkä jaksa. I might not feel bothered to. I might not be bothered to go. So yeah. Meet sä huomenna kauppaan? Joo, ehkä meen. Or en mä tiiä, en ehkä jaksa. Just another example with the word ehkä could be like if someone asks you, are you scared? In Finnish it would be pelottaako sua, which is the short form of pelottaako sua. Pelottaako sinua, which is shortened to pelottaako sua. And you might answer, no ehkä vähän. No ehkä vähän. Well, maybe a little. No ehkä vähän. Maybe a little. Well, maybe a little. No ehkä vähän. Pelottaako sua? No ehkä vähän. Then maybe someone might ask if you want some coffee. So, haluatko kahvia? Haluatko kahvia? If you want to reply, maybe not, you would say, ehkä ei. Haluatko kahvia? Haluatko kahvia? Ehkä ei. Another way you might hear this phrased would be a little longer, which would be, en mä ehkä taida ottaa. En mä ehkä taida ottaa. Haluatko kahvia? En mä ehkä taida ottaa. And in both cases, that would be a no. So if someone says, en mä ehkä taida ottaa, that means no, they don't want it, so don't give them the coffee. Then if I ask you, ymmärsit sä yhtään mitään, mitä mä äsken sanoin? Which would be, did you understand anything that I just said? Ymmärsitkö? Ymmärsit sä? Did you understand? Mitään, anything, mitä, that, mitä äsken. Äsken would be like just now, just what I just sanoin, said. Ymmärsit sä mitään, mitä mä äsken sanoin? Ymmärsitkö? Ymmärsit sä? It means the same thing. Ymmärsit sä mitään, mitä mä äsken sanoin? Would be, did you understand anything I just said? And you might be, ehkä mä ymmärsin vähän. Maybe I understood a little. Ehkä ymmärsin vähän. Ehkä ymmärsin vähän. Ehkä ymmärsin vähän. So I know usually I break down the words a lot more than I did now, but I wanted to kind of have at least one video where, well, the main point of this video was to relay that ehkä, the word ehkä, means maybe. Ehkä means maybe. So that was the main point of this video. I wanted to give some examples where I would speak in more of my regular Finnish, or like if I were to be speaking in Finnish, this is the pace and the words and kind of like the flow of how I would normally speak if I'm speaking in Finnish. So I wanted to kind of relay that more, because when I break it down a lot, you can understand maybe the words better and the pronunciation and stuff. but I also want to do a few videos here and there where I'm giving you examples where I'm speaking at a more normal pace, so you can kind of hear how it would sound naturally out in the wild when you're listening and speaking to Finnish people speak Finnish. So yeah, that was all I wanted to say. Hopefully the only message I want you to take home from this is that maybe is ehkä, and it literally can be used in the exact same way that the English maybe is used. So yeah, I guess that just about concludes this video, so till next time.